Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular microphones that are perfect for broadcasting and recording. We have the Rode PodMic and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. Let's dive in and see how these two products stack up against each other. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. When it comes to design and build quality, both the Rode PodMic and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone are top-notch choices. The Rode PodMic features a sleek and robust construction with an integrated pop shield, ensuring clear audio while minimizing unwanted noise. On the other hand, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone comes with a versatile and sturdy broadcast suspension boom scissor arm, along with a durable arm set and a double pop filter. Both options offer great build quality, making them reliable options for your recording needs. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones excel in their own ways. The Rode PodMic is a Cardioid dynamic broadcast microphone that offers crystal clear audio with its wide frequency response and integrated pop shield. It is ideal for professional broadcast and studio applications. On the other hand, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone provides excellent sound quality with its condenser capsule, handling high SPLS with ease. It offers a wide frequency response, ensuring accurate and detailed audio. Whether you're recording vocals, podcasts, or voiceovers, both microphones deliver exceptional sound quality. When it comes to convenience and connectivity, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone takes the lead. With its USB output, you can enjoy a simple plug-and-play setup, connecting it directly to your PC or laptop. It eliminates the need for additional hardware and is perfect for recording vocals, podcasts, and even Skype calls. However, please note that it is not compatible with Xbox and phones. On the other hand, the Rode PodMic requires an audio interface or mixer for connectivity, making it a better choice if you prefer a more versatile setup. When it comes to accessories, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone offers a comprehensive package. It comes with a desktop mic boom arm stand, a studio-grade shock mount, a double pop filter, a premium 8.2 USB cable, and a user manual. It provides everything you need to start recording right away. In terms of price, the Rode PodMic is priced at $150, while the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone comes at a more budget-friendly price of $59. Both options provide great value for their respective price points. And that's a wrap. We have compared the Rode PodMic and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. Both options offer great sound quality and build quality. The Rode PodMic is a solid choice if you prefer a dynamic broadcast microphone with an integrated pop shield, while the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone provides convenience with its USB output and comprehensive accessory package. Which one suits your needs better? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.